Hello everyone, welcome back to Talkory English. Today we're at the airport. You will hear 10 conversations, from check-in to taking a taxi outside the airport. These are real situations you will face when you fly. Let's get started.
Good morning. Can I have your passport, please?
Good morning. Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Where are you flying to today?
I'm flying to London.
And what is your name?
My name is Alex. I have a booking under the name Alex Carter.
Let me check that for you. Yes, I can see your booking. Are you checking in one bag today?
Yes, I have one big bag, and I have one carry-on bag.
I just need to weigh your bag. Could you put it on the scale?
Sure, no problem.
I'm sorry, sir. Your bag is overweight. It's 26 kilos. The limit is 23 kilos.
Oh, I see. How much is the fee?
The fee is $50.
That's a lot. Can I move some things to my carry-on bag?
Yes, you can. You can use that area over there.
Thank you. I'll do that now. Okay, I moved some things. Can you check the weight again, please?
Of course. Let me check. It's 23 kilos now. That's fine.
Great, thank you.
Do you want a window seat or an aisle seat?
Can I have a window seat, please?
Of course. I'll put you in seat 24A. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. Where do I go next?
Please go to security. It's on the left.
Thank you very much. Remember these two phrases. First, I have a booking under the name Alex Carter. Use it at the check-in desk. Second, can I move some things to my carry-on? Use it when your bag is too heavy. You are at the security check. The officer asks you to prepare your things. What do you say?
Good morning. Please put your bag on the belt.
Good morning. Do I need to take out my laptop?
Yes, please. Take out your laptop and put it in a tray. And take off your belt and your shoes.
Okay, one moment, please.
Sir, please stop. I need to check your carry-on bag.
Oh, is there a problem?
I can see a bottle of water in your bag. You can't bring water through security.
I'm sorry, I didn't know that. What do I do?
You need to put it in the bin here, or drink it now.
I'll drink it now. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine. Take your time.
Okay, I'm ready.
Thank you. You can go through now. Have a good flight.
Thank you. Remember this phrase. Do I need to take out my laptop? Use it when you are at the security check. You are hungry. You go to a food stall near your gate. What do you say?
Hello. What can I get for you?
Can I have a sandwich, please, and a coffee?
Of course. What kind of sandwich do you want? We have chicken and we have cheese.
I'll have the chicken sandwich, please.
And your coffee. Do you want a small or a large?
A small, please. How much is that?
That's $12.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Your coffee and sandwich will be ready in 2 minutes.
Great. Do I wait here?
Yes, please wait here. I'll call your name.
Okay, thank you. Remember this phrase. Can I have a chicken sandwich and a coffee, please? Use it when you want to order food or drinks. You hear that your flight is delayed. You go to the gate agent to ask what is happening. What do you say? Excuse me, I'm on the flight to London. I can see it's delayed. How long is the delay?
I'm sorry about that. The flight is delayed by 2 hours. It will now leave at 4:30.
I see. Do you know why?
There is a problem with the plane. The team is fixing it now.
Okay, do I need to go to a different gate?
No, the gate is the same. Please stay near gate 14B.
And will the flight leave at 4:30 for sure?
We think so, yes. But please check the screen again in 30 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
I'm sorry again for the delay.
Remember this phrase. How long is the delay? Use it when your flight is delayed and you want more information. It's time to board. You show your boarding pass and need to find your seat. What do you say?
Good afternoon. Can I see your boarding pass, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Seat 24A. Your seat is near the middle of the plane, on the left side.
Thank you. Excuse me, where is seat 24A? I can't find it.
It's on the left side, near the window. Can you see the number on the seat?
Ah, I can see it now. Thank you. Can I put my carry-on bag in the space above my seat?
Let me check. Yes, that's fine. There is space there.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. Please sit down and fasten your seatbelt. We'll take off soon.
Okay, will there be food on this flight?
Yes, we'll serve food and drinks after takeoff.
Perfect, thank you. Remember this phrase. Can I put my carry-on bag in the space above my seat? Use it when you want to put your bag above your seat on the plane. You are on the plane. You want to ask for water. And your seat has a problem. What do you say? Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
can I have a glass of water, please?
Of course. Still or sparkling water?
Still, please, and can I have a blanket? I'm a little cold.
Yes, of course. One moment. Here you are.
Thank you. I also have a small problem. My seat isn't working. I can't move it back.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me try. I'm sorry. The seat is broken. There is no empty seat near you right now.
I see. That's okay. It's not a big problem.
I'm very sorry. Can I get you anything else?
No, thank you. I'm fine. Remember this phrase. My seat isn't working. Use it when something is broken or not working on the plane. You land and go through customs. The officer asks you questions. What do you say? Good evening. Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for a holiday.
How long are you staying?
I'm staying for 10 days.
Where are you staying?
I'm staying at a hotel in the city center.
Do you have anything to declare?
I'm sorry, what does declare mean?
It means, do you have a lot of money or any food or plants in your bag?
Ah, I understand. No, I don't have anything to declare.
Okay, welcome to London. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
Remember this phrase, I don't have anything to declare. Use it when the customs officer asks if you have something to declare. You go to baggage claim. Your bag is not on the carousel. What do you say?
Excuse me, I have a problem. My luggage is not on the carousel. The carousel stopped, but my bag didn't come.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can I see your boarding pass, please?
Yes, here you are. I flew in from London on flight BA204.
Thank you. Can you describe your bag?
Yes, it's a large black bag. It has a red tag on the handle.
Okay, let me check the system. One moment. I'm sorry. It looks like your bag is still in London. It will arrive on the next flight.
Oh no, when will it arrive?
In about 5 hours. We will bring it to your hotel. Can you give me your hotel address?
Yes, I'm staying at City Center Hotel on King Street.
Perfect. We'll bring your bag there tonight.
Thank you. Do I need to fill in any form?
Yes, please fill in this form with your name and your hotel address.
Okay, thank you for your help.
Remember this phrase, my luggage is not on the carousel. Use it when your bag doesn't arrive at baggage claim. You are outside the airport. You need a taxi to your hotel. What do you say?
Excuse me, is this taxi available?
Yes, it is. Where do you want to go?
I'm going to City Center Hotel on King Street. How much is the fare?
It's about $30. It can change with the traffic.
Okay, that's fine. Can we go now, please?
Of course. Put your bag in the back.
Thank you. How long will it take?
About 30 minutes. The traffic is okay right now.
Good. Can I pay by card?
Yes, we have a card machine.
Perfect. And can I have a receipt, please? I need it for my company.
No problem. I'll print it for you when we arrive.
Thank you.
Here we are. City Center Hotel.
Great. Here is my card.
Thank you. And here is your receipt.
Thank you very much. Have a good evening.
You too. Enjoy your stay.
Remember this phrase, how much is the fare? Use it when you get in a taxi and want to know the price. That's the end of today's video. You heard 10 conversations with Alex, from check-in to taking a taxi outside the airport. Now I have a question for you. Which situation was most useful for you? Write the number in the comments below. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more slow and easy English. Thank you for watching. See you next time.